Little, and today I am going to introduce someone very important, and that man is the guy who is behind here.
Hi guys.
It is. He did say hi. So anyway, guys. Oh, do you want a selfie? Do you want a selfie? Let's have a selfie. Selfie time. Oh, I have got the hiccups, so excuse me for the video. There we go, got a selfie, and we're going on Instagram. There we go, guys. That is us. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I need to go and get rid of these hiccups. So, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. And it's goodbye from me for now. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!